Welcome to Think Like a Philosopher. In this Philosophy Lesson of the Day series, I promise that you will think more clearly, reason better, understand the details as well as the big picture, and get ever closer to the truth of things. This is Think Like a Philosopher. For Philosophy Lesson of the Day number 3, we ask, what is the universe? And once again, we return to our friend Thales from my book, Thales Thinks. Let's read and then we will discuss. There's unity all around. Thales saw that there was unity. He saw it in forces and nature. He saw patterns, and he suspected something special about it all. Unity was tying together all people, places, and things in this world. Thales says, some force seems to hold everything together. There is a connection in all things. All of this existence is united somehow. And if you notice in these pictures, and if you think about it, it does make sense. There seem to be similar shapes. For example, when a rock hits the water, it makes a ripple that goes in circles. If you look out into space with a telescope, you see that objects orbit other objects in near perfect circles. You look at a honeycomb where bees use a perfect hexagon. Spider webs seem to have unity to them as well. Things in nature are related somehow. There is unity. But at the same time, there is diversity all around. On the other hand, Thales saw diversity. He saw it in colors, in sounds, in ideas, in what things are made of, and in all living beings. Thales knew there was something special about all of this diversity. Think about just what is on this page, just a small sample of the diversity out there among living things. You have amazing animals like the polar bear, the world's largest land carnivore. You have a black widow that has a red hourglass shape on its abdomen. That's amazing. You have a snake that shakes its tail and it rattles, this rattlesnake. You have a swordfish. It's a fast-swimming fish with a sharp tip on the end of its nose that acts like a sword. You have an elephant, one of the most intelligent creatures known to man. Thales says there is variety all around. Things are so different from one to the other. Existence shows such wonderful diversity. So we have unity and diversity, two ideas that seem to be very much in opposition. Let's go on. The universe is all things. The whole sampan, that's the Greek word for cosmos to represent all of existence. The whole sampan was all things together in his mind. Existence was a diversity of things united together. It was a diverse unity. It was a united diversity. It was a universe, a cosmos. Thales says unity and diversity make the universe. Now, did any of you see that? The word universe is unity and diversity together. That is what we call all of existence. That is our cosmos. It is a united diversity, a diverse unity. It is a universe. It is quite an amazing concept if you think about it. And up to this point, we have now answered question 3. What is the universe? And there is so much more left to discover. We will see you next time. For this video, I borrowed from the pages of my book series, Think Like a Philosopher, which goes through the history of Western philosophy from its origins to the present. If you love what you see, check out the links below to find digital and printable copies of any and all of my books on the history of Western philosophy. There is a carefully crafted kids version and an outstanding, honest, older thinkers version for each part of the story. I promise that these books will help you to think more clearly, reason better, and get ever closer to the truth of things. With crystal clear, concise language, Greek and Latin translations, and original illustrations and graphics on each page to help you visualize abstract concepts, you will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It supports the channel and ensures that you don't miss any new videos as they come out. See you next time.